Hey guys, check this out. This is a 1962 Chevrolet Corvette that's about to hit our showroom floor. This is a really nice, honest car. It's an older restoration, older repaint. It's had lots of recent mechanical service work done to it to get running and driving excellent. 327 engine, 250 horsepower, numbers matching. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, hard top and a soft top. You know, the car is really stock overall as far as not many modifications. Obviously, it's got a newer set of Hankook radial tires on it. Which is good if you want to drive it. And this car drives excellent with them on there. Got your vent handle there, it works nice and easy. You got your gauges, it is cold. Oil pressure gauge, brakes nice. Map light turns on via the headlight switch like it's supposed to when you turn it to the left. Your beam indicator there turns on. The horn was trying, but it didn't seem to make a loud noise. There you have it. There's your 327 small block Chevy engine. 1962 in the Corvette marks the first year for the legendary 327 cubic inch V8. This is the base horsepower, 250 horsepower. Does have a 4-barrel carburetor, as you can see there. And very nice and original under here too. You still have your original VIN tag on the steering column where it was supposed to be. Exhaust manifolds look good. You got your coolant reservoir tank and all your ignition shielding along with your venting there for the HVAC. Really smooth starting engine, good power. Sounds really good. So like I said, this is a driver quality. It's an older restoration. So when you really get up on it, you can see some imperfections in the paint. There's some cracking going on right there. You see around the hood here. Cracking right there. So not a perfect paint job, but definitely driver quality, but still shows really good. I mean, going down the road, this thing looks like $1 million. nice and neat in here where you find the convertible top. So if you're interested in this 1962 C1 Corvette, the last year for the C1, as you can see in the back here, the design is starting to look more like a C2 here with the sloping rear, small taillights. Really stylish car. So if you have any more questions, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. There'll be about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions, give us a call. Thanks.